In this video, we're unboxing the Simplisafe Door Lock, which we've got right here. This is battery powered and it is a smart lock designed to work with the Simplisafe system. So this is the Simplisafe Door Lock. If you've got a Simplisafe system, this will work with that. We've got a little foam in here and then we can pull this out. This is the back side of the Simplisafe lock, and what I like about this when you compare it to other smart locks is look how thin this is. This is really thin. If you look at a lot of other competing smart locks, they are much thicker and are kind of obtrusive on the back of the door here. So you can see this is fairly thin. I'm trying to think what I have that would be a comparable size. I think a pen is a good representation. You can see it is this main part is a little bit more than the thickness of a pen. So it's like, I don't know, probably a little bit more than the depth of a AA battery. But it's really sleek on the inside, looks really good. And this is how you activate it on the door. You turn the knob and then you've got your keypad right here. Also love how small this keypad is, and it's not going to take up a lot of space. So that is really key for me, is that you get this small keypad, you've got this door lock, and this can be retrofitted onto an existing entryway. So this pin pad can be placed separate of where this is. So you take your existing door hardware, your deadbolt, and you can put this on the back of it and it's going to work. And then you've got this pin pad, which you could put just off to the side of your door. You could put on your door. It's got like a peel and stick adhesive style here on the back, as you can see. So overall, really neat product. Hope you enjoyed this video of unboxing the Simplisafe Door Lock.